Hey everyone, in this video, I'm giving you a quick and honest review of the H&R Block Tax Course in 2025. If you're thinking about getting into tax prep or just want a side hustle during tax season, this one's for you. So what is it? The H&R Block Income Tax Course is designed to teach you the basics of tax prep, so you can either work for them or just learn how to handle your own taxes more confidently. It's free to enroll, which is great, but you will need to put in the time. We're talking around 60 hours of training, both online and in person. What I liked about it is how beginner-friendly it is. They really break things down. Filing statuses, deducts, credits, you name it. There's a mix of reading, quizzes, and practice returns, so you're not just sitting through lectures. And by the end, you can actually start working as a tax pro if you pass the final exam. Now, is it worth it? If your goal is to get seasonal work and make some extra money during tax time, then yes, it's a solid option. H&R Block even hires many of their course grads, so you're not left wondering what to do after. And if you're just looking to understand your own taxes better, it's a great skill to have. But here's the catch: the course isn't easy. There's a lot of info to absorb, and the final exam is no joke. Also, while the course itself is free, you might need to buy a textbook or materials depending on your location. If you're willing to commit the time, the H&R Block Tax Course is definitely worth it in 2025, especially if you want to pick up a new skill or side gig. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that heart icon to send a super thanks. And of course, subscribe for more real-world reviews. See you in the next one.